For our dinosaur-loving friends, Dr. Ellie revived dinosaurs in an experiment. It was a success, but a loud noise from somewhere scared the dinosaurs off. Friends, what should Dr. Ellie do now to handle this crisis? What are we going to do? The carnivorous and herbivorous dinosaurs have escaped. What should we do? But I'm really scared of the carnivorous ones myself. There's no other way. I have to run. Good morning. Today is another great day for dinosaur research. Since all of you love dinosaurs so much, Dr. Ellie has been working on a project to bring dinosaurs back to life. So far, Ellie has revived a few dinosaurs. Do you want to see them? Come with me. This is where Ellie usually digs for fossils. Now, let me show you one of the fossils I've dug up. Look, you can already see part of the face. Let's carefully brush away the sand on top. Okay, this should be the jaw. Just gently clear the sand like this. Yes, wow. Look at this. Who do you think it is, friends? Based on my experience, friends, this looks like a Dilophosaurus. Ooh, we've made a new friend. Yay! This egg is about to hatch soon. See this crack here? Can you guess who's inside? This is a baby T-Rex. Ooh, it sometimes startles me. Oh my, it's so cute. Besides these little dinosaurs, let me show you some bigger ones. I'm excited to introduce. This is the Triceratops that protects me. Its 3 horns are super strong. Shoo! Friends, there are also some really dangerous carnivorous dinosaurs locked up here. Let me introduce you to a truly terrifying dinosaur, the Allosaurus over there. It's one of the most fierce carnivores of the Jurassic period. That's why I've kept it up there. For letting it out could be very dangerous. This one here is Carnotaurus. It's got the biggest feet of all the dinosaurs I've revived. Look, it's even taller than me. It's a pretty reliable friend, but it's still scary, so be careful. Friends, Dr. Ellie needs to remind you, never provoke the velociraptor. Be careful, it's very fierce. Ow! It could bite you. So over the years, Ellie has revived all these dinosaurs, big and small. What's that sound? Oh, where is it from? Oh, it sounds like it's the roar of the T-Rex from outside. Oh no! What should I do? So many dinosaurs have run off. Well, Ellie is going to take this boat and see where they've gone. Alright, let's go find out where the T-Rex are. Ooh, where is it? Ooh. What if the dinosaur come after me? That won't do. Where could they be? I can't see them. Yeah. There's a very, very secret river here. Ellie thinks dinosaurs probably won't cross it. So Ellie is going to find a boat now and flee far, far away. Let's go! The dinosaurs probably won't know Ellie is crossing the river. Hey, you stay put. Ellie is making her escape. Bye! Ah! The boat is going higher and higher. I'm so scared. Oh. The dinosaurs are over there. Let's quietly get out of here. Through this dark tunnel. Oh, what should I do? Sounds like a Tyrannosaurus is chasing me. We've reached the highest point. Ah! 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 What should I do, friends? The T-Rex caught up so quickly. Ellie needs to hurry and escape. Goodbye, friends. Ellie plans to escape by train this time. Bye. I'm so scared. What should I do? Oh, we're going up. Is over there. Oh, I feel it's getting closer. Ellie's taking this train and get out of here fast. Yes, let's go, let's go. The train is so fast. I didn't think the train would be this fast. Friends, it looks like Ellie has successfully escaped. Actually, those carnivorous dinosaurs are really, really scary. I'm sorry, friends. Ellie revived those dinosaurs, but Ellie has to get out of here. So see you next time. Bye!